Well, hello folks. Here's a little project we're going to start for your viewing pleasure. We have a Pride TF-1000 frequency counter. And when I got it, it was all busted up, and I got the case glued back together, and all the buttons on the back were smashed off. And there they are. So I need to get 3 temporary contact double pull, double throw switches and 1 switch that will do, double pull, double throw. Let's have a look on the inside here. So that's where they go. And the layout was pretty easy. They just go in order. Closest to the furthest on the switch. But big problem looks like somebody put a few too many watts through this thing. It only does up to 50 watts. And this thing right here looks like it's got a big old burn right in the middle. And I think that value is brown, silver brown. And I can't quite remember my resistor code, but I'll figure that out here shortly. And I want to get this going again. And then my son works for a testing equipment company, and there's a little tweaker. So, and this is, I think this one is actually certifiable. You can certify accuracy on it. But that's the only issue. It's, just basically a little bit of soldering. That doesn't look great, but it's looks like it'll hang on. And I didn't see any other bad caps in here, nothing swollen. Just like they put a little too much juice in it and gave her a good fry. See, that's output. Yeah, that's the output. So there's the input and there's the output. So, who knows? All right, talk to you later.